Everybody, this is Jackie from ESLspeaking.org. So today we're going to talk graded language for English teachers, but it could apply, of course, to any language teacher, Italian or Spanish, Chinese, whatever you're doing. So what is graded language? Graded language is moderating your speech in terms of either speed or difficulty of grammar or vocabulary. Why would you want to do this? You'd want to do it if students are not fluent, which is the case if they're in your class. So think about if you've ever been in language class yourself, or I'm sure you've had students who've had this experience. The teacher is just talking, and the students on their faces, that you can kind of see the deer in headlights. It's just too much information coming at them too quickly, and it's too difficult, and they're not actually taking in anything. So as teachers, of course, we want to avoid this, and the way to do this is to grade your language. People have to walk before they can run. So how to grade your language? Talk more slowly. Second thing, use simple grammatical constructions. So very simple sentences, maybe not complicated ones that use clauses and that kind of stuff. And then also think about simple vocabulary words. How not to grade your language. Don't use baby talk. Nobody wants to hear baby talk. Don't drop articles or things like that. That's just a very strange way to talk. And also, you don't need to talk more loudly. Talking loudly does not help. All right, so that is it for graded language. I hope that was helpful. Please give this video a like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. All right, bye everybody.